Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Capcut. Let's get to it. Here I have created a project in Capcut and we're going to add music to this project. So the first thing we should do is click on this audio option, or we can also click on add audio button right here guys. And I'm just going to click on audio option right here and click on sounds. And you can add music that Capcut has provided for us, or you can also add music from your device. If you want to add music from Capcut, you can simply click on this button, but if you want to add music from your device, you can click on this button like this and click from device. And you can scroll down until you find the music that you want to add to your project, and after that you can click on this plus button to add that music. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to add this music, so just tap on this button to add the music to our project or our video. Alright guys, and now the music has been added to this project, and that's how we can add music to Capcut or to our project in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.